Hello people! Welcome back to our channel. It's HOUR Channel. So, this is me again, Mela and Lemony. So, yan na nga. Yes, pak na pak. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay hype na hype kasi BLK have launched their new summer collection which is the BLK Fresh. And yes! Ang lakas maka-PR. Yes! Parang PR box talaga yung marireceive mo upon opening this box. Kasi, since most brands or products don't usually sell their makeup fridge, well, maybe dahil sinimulan na ni BLK, other brands will follow. What do you think? Just comment it down below. But still, upon opening the box, F na F, people! Yes, feel mo na para talagang naka-receive ka ng PR box from BLK Cosmetics. What I find amusing is the fridge itself. Kasi most vloggers na napanood ko, most of their reviews, hindi nila na-include yung fridge or hindi nila diniscuss mismo yung fridge. And, ayun, direct agad sila sa product. Pero dito sa atin, we'll discuss about it. Ayan. So, once again, this is the BLK Makeup Fridge. And you can use this in different ways. So, first, using this charger. This one is actually used for your cars. Ito yung sasaksak mo dun sa sasakyan nyo para magamit nyo yung fridge. And you can actually not only use your fridge sa pag-i-store ng mga makeups or ng mga face mask, you can actually use it para makapaglagay ng mga drinks. Pero yung mga small drinks lang, ganun. Tapos, secondly, using this charger, which is our regular charger sa bahay. And, ayun, this fridge size is good enough para ma-fit mo yung some of your favorite face masks and perfumes. For me before using these products na in-store ko sa loob ng fridge, sinasaksak ko muna siya for like 2 to 3 hours para lumamig yung mga, well, products again na nandun nga sa loob. So, upon searching some online stores, it goes to show na this fridge alone will cost you for 3,000 up to 4 or 5 or 6,000 pesos alone. Just this fridge alone. So, I think it's super worth it kung makakabili ka ng package nila kasi parang yung binili mo lang is yung fridge or yung binayaran mo is yung fridge lang talaga mismo. And what goes inside the fridge is free. Free! Moving on to the products. So, inside, you can find... Since this is their summer collection, they have featured some fruits na may correlation sa summer feels or sa summer vibes. So they have this coconut, peach, watermelon, and even strawberry. So inside, you can find products like tints, scrubs, and wipes, and balms, and so much more. And even a sticker. So isa pa nga pala sa nakapagpalungkot sa akin is itong isang product natin, which is the Coco Crush, is may butas. So, it leaked and the products inside the fridge nagkaroon ng, or nabasa, which causes to, or which leads to, damaged stickers, kahit yung mga box na damaged na din, and nakakalungkot lang. Well, yung mga items naman na nasa loob ng mga boxes is okay pa rin. So, okay na rin ako doon. We'll be doing this in no particular order. So, starting off with BLK Skin Hydrating Ultra Fine Mist. This is its box. The name of the product, the scent, the logo. And, ayun na nga, tinatawag nila itong The Watermelon. Kasi, it smells like watermelon. So, since it's a mist, pwede mo siyang gamitin before doing your makeup and after doing your makeup or kung gusto mo lang ma-refresh ang face mo. And since this one is, yung size niya is super cute, pwede mo siyang, parang, pwede talaga siyang pang travel na kahit anong size ng bag mo, mag-fit siya. And this one is different and I like this shape of the bottle kasi, ayun nga, hindi siya katulad ng usual na box, na bottle na may mga nakaganito na nakalabas and then bulky yung buong body na I find it super difficult para i-fit sa mga bags. So, sa product naman, it's mabango, it really smells like watermelon, and compared sa iba nating mga ginagamit na face mist, this one, lalong-lalo na yung sprayer niya, is super, ayun o, iba yung dating, hindi siya straight. Yung talagang pag minis mo siya, or pag in-spray mo siya, talagang mako-cover or aabot sa mukha mo. This next one is actually a makeup removing wipes na meron daw siyang collagen and vitamin E. So, upon checking, ang price niya is 169 pesos, which I find it a bit pricey sa regular makeup remover wipes. Kasi, meron lang siyang 30 sheets and, ayun, 30 sheets lang. So, for 30 sheets na 169, di ba, medyo mahal. Pero, upon using this one, nakita ko na worth it pa rin yung presyo niya. Kasi, doon sa regular wipes na ginagamit ko, mga 3 to 4 sheets ang aking nagagamit para lang matanggal ang ating makeup sa mukha. But with this one, you can have the one sheet alone para matanggal even the waterproof makeups like your eyeliners, your mascaras. So, tinry ko nga siya and compared compared sa ating regular wipes na 2 to 3 sheets or more pa yung nagagamit ko, this one, nakagamit lang ako ng dalawa and it definitely can remove your waterproof makeups. So, this lip and cheek tint is a water gel type. Dark tone yung red niya. Ayan, watery siya because it's a water gel tint. And vibrant talaga yung kulay niya. Super vibrant. Super dark toned red. Well, this tint is different from the ones na, ayun nga, ginagamit natin. Kasi wala siya nung parang namumuong mga gel dito. And lalo na dun sa packaging, dun sa edge nung roller specifically, na ang pangit lang tingnan kasi ang weird nung itsura niya. And, well, with this one, isa sa nga pala sa ayaw ko sa tint is yung parang yung ganito, nagkakaroon siya ng buo-buo sa lips kasi super dry nung lips ko. So maybe if super moist or pouty or ganun ka moist nga yung lips mo, I suggest you use gel types or water types. Pero what I find then na mahirap gamitin itong tints is yung pag ina-apply mo siya, kapag ayan, nailagay mo na yung mismong product sa cheek mo or sa lips mo, hindi mo siya mai-blend. Hindi siya ganun ka-blendable kasi nagkakaroon ng patchy-patchy dito sa face mo kasi ang bilis niya talagang matuyo. So, I think I will only use this one sa aking lips, hindi sa cheek. Kasi nga, ayun, mahirap siyang i-blend. Well, if you can blend it properly, like super ganun ka kagaling mag-blend, well, I highly suggest you use this one. Next is the Creamy All-Over Paint or the 3-in-1 product. 3-in-1 because you can use this sa inyong lids, sa inyong cheeks, at sa inyong lips. So, this one, ito nga pala yung ginamit ko dito sa aking cheeks and sa aking lips. Well, sa lips ko, ang unang kong ginamit ay itong peachy product and sa loob, para magkaroon ng ombre effect, is this tint. So, most of the items, walang nakalagay na details dito sa front face ng ating packaging. Pero, makikita nyo sila dito sa ilalim. So, ayun, nandito yung name ng product, the logo, and the manufacturing number or the control number of the item. So, again, they named this one as the Feeling Peachy. Ito yung magbibigay ng vibe sa'yo na parang nababad ka sa beach, na yung cheek mo is magiging reddish, orange feel, parang ganon. Ito yung tipong magbibigay sa'yo ng vibe na sun-kissed. Yung tipong nauuso nga ngayon na sun-kissed glow or beachy glow. Ito yung gamitin mo para lumabas yung ganong effect. And matte siya kapag natutuyo. Buildable din siya. Yan. Matagal mong marireach yung pagka-dark nung peach nito kasi pagka-peach nito. And I think this one is perfect para sa tulad ko na nag-start mag-makeup. Kasi heavyweight applicator ako. Yung tipong pagka-open ko ng product, ilalagay ko na agad siya na gano'n directly without noticing na ang dami ko nang nailagay kasi hindi ko inano yung applicator. Along with the package, we have these 2 scented face masks. First is the Coco Crush and the second one is the Watermelon. So, isa sa nakaka-amuse dito sa face mask ni Coco Crush is this one mask can deliver up to 1 month's worth of serum. Diba? 1 month worth of serum? Kakaiba yun sa mga face mask na nakita natin at nagamit natin. So, we'll do a different review for this one. And, ayun na nga, the other one is the Watermelon, na ang sabi naman dito is it's hydrating plus brightening glow. So, sa pag-a-apply nito, I think it's the same sa mga regular face mask na you have to put it for at least 15 to 30 minutes. And, yung iba is meron pa kasi siyang liquidy serum sa loob na matitira upon pulling out the mask. So, yung iba ginagamit nila ito or ini-apply nila ito hanggang sa matuyo pa rin yung serum sa mukha. So, this one will cost you 149 pesos and this one will cost you 129 pesos. Super pricey. Pero, according sa ibang mga reviews, it truly does delivers the 1 month serum. So, yun siguro talaga yung nagpamahal dito sa face mask na to. And I guess, well, medyo kasi may pagka-budgetarian tayo. So, you can use this for at least once or twice lang sa isang buwan. Not on a regular basis kasi it's super pricey. And since ang ating skin type is oily, I won't really use these products kasi it's moisturizing pa rin. So, mas madadagdagan ng oiliness ang ating face. So, I guess I'll just give this to my sisters for them to try. And maybe I'll ask them to have some review about this one. This is actually my first attempt to use BLK cosmetic products. And upon using it for quite some time, I can say, or I may say na maganda siya and worth ang price niya. Lalong-lalo na dun sa package na merong fridge. So, ang aking mga favorites sa package with fridge is the Skin Hydrating Ultra Finest, the Feeling Peachy Creamy All Over Paint, and the Watermelon Lip and Cheek Tint. So, I loved how these two mixed together. Yung tipong uunahin ko tong si Feeling Peachy sa aking lip, and then ilalagay ko next is itong si Lip and Cheek Tint na Watermelon dito sa inner part ng aking lips, na nagkakaroon siya ng ombre effect. Which is, iyon yung in trend ngayon. 'Di ba? So, ang ganda niya lang talaga pagka magkasama sila together. Upon checking out Lazada, nakita ko na merong mas malaking ang version nitong fridge si BLK. So, sa tingin ko, mas better if kukunin nyo yung mas malaking fridge kasi mas marami kayong mailalagay. Kasi 10 liters na yon and this one is just 6 liters. So, for the recommendation, yun na nga, bilhin nyo na lang is yung 10-liter fridge. Kasi meron din naman siyang mga beauty products ni BLK sa loob. So, I think it's still super worth the price. So, people, that has been it. But we would like to know, what do you think of our second Le Beauty review video? Did you like it? Would you like to remove something? Or would you like to take it into another level na... What do you think? Depende sa inyo. So, again, this is me, Mela of Our Channel, and don't you forget on clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga videos. Stay safe!